Amateur photographers with an entrepreneurial spirit have found new ways to turn their hobby into an additional revenue stream. The quality and flexibility of digital photographs, along the wide reach of the internet, has created numerous opportunities for photographers to cash in on their pictures and services. Here are some creative ways you can get in on the profitability of this new work-at-home market. The key to finding big money in digital photography is as simple as finding where the people are. Think of all the places that crowds gather where people may want to have a memorable photo taken. Competitions, concerts, parades, and tourist attractions are just some of the hot markets for this service. It is literally as simple as bringing some business cards and start snapping. Post your pictures on a website or file sharing service where folks can browse the pictures and buy the ones they want. There are a number of internet businesses that help you superimpose digital pictures on practically any item. Use your expertise with these services to sell a variety of fun souvenirs to groups and companies. Of course, you will add the cost of your time and travel into the price for each piece, giving you a nice profit margin for doing all of the coordination. Similar to the novelty products, you can find services that will allow you to create customized photo greeting cards for your clients. People love to send these types of cards to family and friends as Christmas cards, special announcements, and event invitations. You will have to work hard to market your services at first, but once the community sees your great work, the orders will start coming in on their own. Software like Microsoft PowerPoint makes it easy to design a photo slideshow that can be a great addition to any social event. However, some people don't have the time or expertise to create their own shows, and this is where you can make money. Think of all the businesses and organizations in your area that may need a service like this. Give them your business card or sample of your work. Even if they don't call you directly, one of their members may use your services in the future. The key is to spread the word and take on smaller jobs until you build a solid reputation. Click the link in the description to get the best product in the market, proven to work.